Time is money when building modern high-spec facilities, but safety cannot be compromised. Working with Sherwin-Williams from the outset guarantees the correct coatings and flooring for a safer, faster and simpler build. Our experts provide insight right from the design phase on specifications of coatings and flooring to maximize protection. Calling on our expertise up front saves time and money, plus avoids errors causing expensive retrofit after completion. Our fire engineering and estimation team knows exactly what coatings to use and how thickly to apply them for cost-effective, high-performance protection that won't delay your build. Off-site application of our innovative fast-drying protective coatings simplifies construction, optimizing project timelines. Adequate protection of floors is often overlooked and underestimated. We have a range of resin flooring solutions for chemical resistance, moisture mitigation, enhanced hygiene standards and static control, as well as high traffic and non-slip requirements. From hard-wearing, easy-cleaning surfaces to high-specification floors, our local specialists can support you from design through to construction and aftercare. Through the lifetime of the project, Sherwin-Williams technical customer support teams offer a complete service to customers. To maximize peace of mind from protective coatings, it makes sense to engage Sherwin-Williams as early in the process as possible. Our strategic collaboration with all our customers delivers high performance and confidence at every stage. Get in touch to find out how Sherwin-Williams can add value to your project.